Hello guys, and welcome to the unboxing review and road test of the newest releases from OSRAM, what they advertised to be the most powerful halogens on the market today, the Nightbreaker 220. For the first time in the past 10 years at least, we see that OSRAM managed to release a halogen that states to offer the highest amount of light on the road. So in this video we will see if this is really the case, and if OSRAM managed to take the crown of Philips Racing Vision GT200. This is the box these halogens come in. We see now they've reduced the costs with a plastic-free packaging. On the front we see the H7 fitting, the 12 volt and the 55 nominal wattage. Also, these boxes contain each two halogens, so a set of H7. We see that they promise to offer up to 220% more light on the road, a beam up to 150 meters in length, a color temperature with 20% colder than the one of a standard bulb, and the lifespan is advertised between 150 and 250 hours. Let's say in normal driving conditions, if we will manage to have these bulbs for about 1 year, we can be pleased with this. For H7 it depends on what roads you drive on. If you do off-road, expect them to last even 6 months. If the roads have potholes or if they are not in good conditions, again their lifespan will be closer to the 150 hours. If not, if they are in good conditions, you can expect them up to 1 year without a problem. I found nothing regarding the Kelvin color temperature of these bulbs, only the fact that they also have around 1500 lumens, give or take 10%, just like all the other halogens and maximum performance bulbs. And pretty much this is it on the front of the box. If we look on the side here, we see the actual size of these halogens. And on the back, again, informations regarding the brightness, the beam length, the Kelvin color temperature only in percentage, so they will be for sure colder, and they will have a more stylish look than a yellowish bulb. And of course we see the lifetime compared to a standard bulb is half, but here also it really varies and depends. Also, the fact that these bulbs are, let's say, the highest quality. We have here the fact that they are made in Germany, and the this original stamp. So make sure you look out for this. This is how the box looks on top. And right here on the bottom we will need to break this silver seal. Of course, what's new to these bulbs, and we will see this right away, the fact that now they made a gold cap on top. Let's see how the bulbs look. Here we have a second seal. Let's say this is a good thing. Be very careful, don't under any circumstances touch the glass of the bulbs when you unbox them, when you maneuver them, when you install them, because otherwise they will burn really fast from the grease on our hands. Now we open these up. And here's how they look. So basically we have the same blue coating pattern on the glass of the bulb, like it's the case with all the Nightbreaker halogen line, but this time the cap on top has a matte gold finish look. So it's not a let's say a metallic one. We see it from the front, the H7 fitting. And on the back we have OSRAM NB220 Nightbreaker, 12 volt, 55 watts, H7, and Germany. Again, guys, be very careful when you take them out of the package, and also try not to damage them in any way. This is again a closer look. And pretty much this is what we get in the box. Now, if we would take for granted the specifications, the most important one, or let's say the first one, Nightbreaker 220, so up to 220% more light on the road. We would have to compare them, of course, with the previous generation, the Nightbreaker 200, which in my light meter tests scored between 3260 lux and a maximum of 3300 lux. This was measured exactly at 3 meters away, just like I do in all of my tests. In order for these halogens, the Nightbreaker 220, to really have that extra 20% in brightness, they would have to score on the light meter at exactly the same distance between 3586 lux up to 3795 lux. So let's say, give or take, between 3600 and 3800. We will have to see if this will be the case or not, and for this please stay tuned and look furthermore on my review, because up next, as usual, we will have the recordings taken during the daytime, of course the installation, the nighttime, the light meter measurements, which again I hope you will appreciate and consider them the most important ones, the most accurate ones, and also the road tests. For this video I will see if I will be able to include only the road test during good weather, or if I will be able to put the rainy weather as well. It all depends on the time I will upload this video and the weather up here. Also, I will bring you, as time passes by, all the other tests at high speed outside the city limits, and of course the high beam test as well, because this is why I purchased 2 sets, and hopefully you will be able to decide for yourself if these bulbs worth between 32 and 35 euros a set, because this is how much I paid in my country. I paid about 35 euros for a set of H7. So if you would like to support me on YouTube, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, feel free to comment in the section below. I will answer to all of your questions, and if you would like to purchase them, I will put the Amazon links where you can buy these from. For now, they are available mostly in Europe, on Amazon Europe, but for sure in the future, in the near future, they will be available in the United States and Canada as well. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support over the years. I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are. Bye bye.